Having a truly compact computer that is both powerful and easy to take on the go with you is something that many people require nowadays. With many portable mini PCs to their name already, ACEMAGIC has added yet another portable powerhouse to its name. This is the ACEMAGIC F1A mini PC. Powered by the Intel Core i9 processor, it blends sleek design with raw power. Featuring 14 cores, 32GB of RAM and a TB SSD, it handles everything from light gaming to professional work with ease. This mini PC is not just about performance, it's about making a statement in style with its stunning color options and very nice overall design. This thing is really clean. So, is the F1A really any good? This is the burning question on everyone's mind. And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. So unboxing this product, and the F1A comes in quite a nice sleek package. Inside we have the mini PC, a power adapter, a HDMI cable, a mounting bracket and your rather basic user manuals. Now the design of this unit is truly impressive. It is available in 3 stunning colours, pink, green and black, providing options to suit any aesthetic or desk setup. Have to admit, its small and compact size makes it incredibly versatile and easy to position in any space. Not only that, but this item is exceptionally well built. Despite its compact size, it is surprisingly lightweight and sturdy, featuring an all-metal construction and a sleek premium looking top. Now in terms of portability, you don't need me to tell you that this mini PC outshines the use of a laptop, as it can easily fit in the palm of your hand, making it an ideal solution for on-the-go use. If you need something to take with you to and from different desk spaces, be it from your home to work where a monitor is available at both locations, well, something like this provides that solution. The front of the device is equipped with a Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 ports and an audio jack for convenient access. On the back you will find 2 extra USB 3.0 ports, 2 HDMI ports and an Ethernet port along with a power supply connection. Now going under the bonnet, and this is equipped with an Intel Core i9 processor featuring an impressive 14 cores and up to 20 threads. Its base speed of 2.5 GHz and turbo boost of up to 5 GHz ensures seamless performance for light gaming, along with professional tasks and general multitasking. Furthermore, it does come with 30GB of RAM and a spacious 1TB SSD, guaranteeing swift responsiveness and a generous amount of storage capacity out of the box. Now, the ACEMAGIC F1A is a formidable contender in the budget gaming arena. Powered by that Intel Core i9 and 32GB of RAM, it actually delivers exceptional performance across a variety of demanding games. But that is within reason. For example, for popular esports games such as Fortnite or PUBG, the F1A surprisingly suppresses, providing high frame rates and a rather fluid gaming experience. These less demanding titles benefit greatly from the powerful CPU and ample RAM, ensuring no lag during intense matches. Now granted, if you were to try and play a more demanding title, you are going to see this computer struggle. While the F1A may not rival mid-range gaming desktops with dedicated GPUs, it offers a surprisingly robust gaming experience for its size. However, with that said, the RAM and CPU speeds are there, but the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 integrated graphics just simply won't keep up. So do keep that in mind if you are planning to get something like this for some of those bigger titles, because although the power's there, the GPU isn't. So it really is more ideal for casual to mid-range gaming, and it also certainly is perfect for gamers who value portability and versatility without compromising too much on performance. Now the CPU performed well, offering up a score of just over 670 in single core and 6800 in multi-core. Thankfully, the ACEMAGIC F1A is equipped with a high-quality cooling system that includes efficient heat sinks and fans. This design ensures that the PC maintains its optimal operating temperatures even during demanding tasks. The vapor chamber and 45-watt TDP cooling solution work in tandem to not only keep the machine running silently, but also work great to deliver powerful and consistent performances. Even during heavy sessions, this barely gets warm to the touch. Not to mention, you barely hear the fan. Beyond gaming, this computer's blazing fast speeds make it a powerhouse for other demanding tasks. For example, if you're into 4K movie editing with After Effects or Premiere Pro, or need a portable creative hub for Photoshop, this mini PC could be an excellent choice. Its impressive performance will make your creative projects a breeze, no matter where you are working from. Now, unlike other mini PCs, the F1A actually offers up triple monitor support, making it an ideal choice for users who require expansive and efficient multitasking options. This computer is designed to cater to the needs of a range of consumers who want to benefit from extended screen real estate. The iCore 9 processor powering this machine not only ensures exceptional performance, but also excels in handling multitasking. This PC is also optimized for lightning-fast data transfer speeds. With PCIe 4.0 support, this PC certainly has short load times. Boot times are incredibly fast, and installing content takes just a few minutes. One of the standout features of the ACEMAGIC Mini PC is its user-friendly design, which actually extends to its upgradability. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to customize your setup or simply need to expand your system capabilities, upgrading the memory and RAM is a breeze. To access the memory and RAM slots, simply remove the panel on the F1A. Thanks to its thoughtful design, the interior layout is clean and well organized, making it easy to locate and work with the components. With the ability to expand the memory up to 64GB and a DDR4 up to 2TB, we actually have room to improve this mini PC further down the line, giving it even more life and bang for your buck. The mini PC is equipped with a 2.5GB Ethernet port, ensuring blazing fast wired connections for tasks that demand higher bandwidths. Whether you're streaming 4K content, engaging in online gaming, or transferring large files, when this PC is connected up to an Ethernet port, you get some great speeds. However, if you most likely will be reliant on Wi-Fi, this does have Wi-Fi 6 support, so you're also getting some great speeds there. Now, all in all, in a nutshell, the ACEMAGIC F1A Mini PC is a true powerhouse. With its impressive hardware out of the box, it's not just a light gaming rig, but a versatile tool for multitaskers, creatives on the move, or anyone seeking a portable gaming solution for less demanding titles. Whether you are juggling multitasks, unleashing your creativity, or diving into some casual gaming sessions, I can't deny the ACEMAGIC F1A Mini PC is set to be one of those ultimate companions we simply can't overlook. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.